On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2019 Freedom Traveler A30 by Thor Motor Coach. This luxury Class A motorhome can be yours if you act quickly. Enjoy the great outdoors while watching the game, then head inside where comfort and luxury makes traveling so inviting. It's amazing to both live in and drive, with ultra-comfortable captain and co-captain's chairs. The big picture views you'll get from the open road will be totally awe-inspiring. With plenty of space to entertain comfortably, and the storage capacity for any extended travel plans, there's no limit to the places you can go. The fully equipped kitchen has all the essentials you need to keep everyone well fed and satisfied. With lots of storage cabinets all around, microwave with vented 3-burner range below, plenty of countertop space, and a stainless steel double basin sink, you have everything you need to make this getaway motor coach your home away from home. When it's time to get cleaned up, you'll have access to a spectacular radiused corner shower with massive skylight and frosted glass doors. A corner vanity with sink and mirrored medicine cabinet along with a floor-to-ceiling linen closet round out the bathroom amenities. Entering the bedroom suite, you'll first come across a large mirrored wardrobe. Next is the platform for a queen-size bed with storage cabinets above. And at the foot of the bed is a second wardrobe with an entertainment center and personal desk area with power access and a windowed view. What are you waiting for? Get on the road to exciting travels today. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot.